Hey y'all, it's Ann from Ann's Southern Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a part of hashtag It's a Candy Christmas 2022, and it's hosted by my friend Sheri at Southern Roots by Sheri. So make sure you check out her channel and like and subscribe. She has a wonderful channel full of all kinds of great videos. She really is a great cook, and she also does a lot of live videos, and she helps a lot of small channels out as well. So make sure you go check out her channel, like and subscribe. I'll have it down below, and I'll also have the playlist link down below. If you follow that hashtag, It's a Candy Christmas 2022, you'll find all the videos in this collab, and you'll get some great candy recipes. There already been some great recipes, so make sure you check out Sheri's channel today because she's giving away some stuff today. So make sure you go check out all the channels and comment and like on them. These are two really easy but addictive recipes. So I'm going to turn you around and let's get started on this most addictive candy ever. Y'all, I had never heard of this dessert, but it's so easy to make, and my sister-in-law had tried it somewhere and she really loved it. So she made it for us when we were at the beach, and we all loved it, and she brought it a couple times to parties. I mean, everybody just ate that before anything else. So it was so good, and it really only takes 2 ingredients to make it, but you could also put some things in it to kind of embellish it. And I'm gonna sprinkle some of the sugar. I've got the red sugar, the sanding sugar, and the green. You could also use sprinkles. And I'm also going to put some of these candies in there. It's just what I have. If I had like red ones, I would just use that. You could use the red and white sprinkles. I think that would look good too. And I am going to add, I am going to use the white baking chips because that's what she uses, but you could also use the almond bark. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the coconut oil in there to make sure that it will melt really good. Sometimes white chocolate doesn't melt that good, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the baking chips in here, and I'm just going to microwave it, but you could probably use a double boiler if you would like. You could probably make this with popcorn too, and you can also add like pretzels and stuff like that, or maybe the chopped up noodles, the Chinese noodles that you get that you can make haystacks with. I bet that would be good too. So I'm just going to use what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of the coconut oil. You could also use shortening. I'm going to microwave this until it gets nice and melted, and then we'll add the puffed corn. All right, the chocolate's melted, and I'm going to add the puffed corn. You want the puffed corn, not the one with cheese. I'm just going to mix that up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the candy in there. And that's just about it. I'm going to sprinkle some sugar. And I think this would be good with popcorn too. I've seen some kind of like recipes. I think they call it like Grinch popcorn, and it's basically the same thing. And I think this would be good with sprinkles too, but I'm not really a sprinkle person. I don't like to crunch on it. Yeah, y'all got to make this. This is so good. Crunchy, sweet. I hope you try it. All right, y'all, can't stop eating it. But I'm going to put that in the fridge and let it set up. You could also put it on a sheet tray and then put it in like a tin if you're going to give it for gifts. But I'm going to go ahead and put that in the fridge for just a little bit and let it set up. All I did was line a baking sheet with some parchment paper. And I just lined some candy bars on here. What I'm using is some of the ones from Aldi. This is one's dark chocolate, one's milk chocolate. And then I'm using a white chocolate from Aldi. That would give it a little bit of color. I'm not going to do another one yet just to see if this one will work, and then I'll make another pan. And also you can do different things with it. You could use marshmallows, chocolate chips, you could use nuts. I've got Heath bars here, Rolo. You could chop those up, chop up cookies, pretzels. I got pretzels over there that I might use. You can use anything you'd like. I saw this on TikTok and I thought it looked wonderful and easier than melting the chocolate. All right, y'all, I have to tell y'all, this is my second batch. I let the other one go too long and it was like crumble brownie. So this one is done. So see how melty it is? So what I'm gonna do is just swirl it like that with my wooden skewer. Now I wish I would have put more white chocolate in there. So now I've only got one corner, but I think it looks cool with the white. So I wish I'd had more in there, but we're not gonna worry about that because I don't want to waste any more chocolate. So what you just do is just swirl it around till you make it the way you like it. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some stuff to it. This only took a couple minutes if your oven is preheated, and mine is at 300, so it did not take but a few minutes. So what I'm gonna do is top it with pretzels. I love sweet and salty. I don't really like sweet on top of sweet. If you know me, you know I gotta have some pecans on here, so I'm gonna put the pecans on here as well. On TikTok, I saw someone say that they thought that Rice Krispies would be good, so I'm like, I love crunch, so I am gonna go ahead and add that to it too. And this is an easy way that you don't have to melt your chocolate. Now that I know what I'm doing, and I know that I'm not gonna burn it, I think this is the way to go. Especially if you're making bark or something like that, you don't wanna, this is the easy way. So I've already got this fork. So I'm just gonna press it in there. Make sure, get it all pressed down. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge and let it set up. I am so excited about this. Just gonna break it up. Oh my goodness, this is so good. You hear that crunch? That is so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and break it up and snack away. This is so good, y'all. Y'all, these turned out so good. I thought I would put them in these Hobby Lobby tins, and I'll give these out as gifts. All right, y'all got to make these. These are so easy to make, so easy to customize the way you'd like it. You can make it for all kinds of different holidays and decorate it, but those were so good and so easy to make. So I'll have the recipes linked down below. And I want to thank Sheri again for hosting. Make sure you go check out her channel, especially tonight. She's doing a giveaway on her live, so make sure you check it out and watch. And I'll have the recipes linked down below. I'll have all the links down below and all the information for you. So I hope y'all enjoyed it and have a wonderful holiday, and I'll see y'all in the next video.